cabin. It's my rest hour, and I heard very big sound from ship's starboard side. And immediately, like 5 seconds later, people start shouting. That's why I start mobilizing. We go up, and we see master's cabin destroyed. Also, our second officer damaged. So we start emergency. And after
There was a free drone.
what?
Was free
Three,
drone.
yeah, three drone. First attack, accommodation breach, and second attack was engine. After when we leaving, like 3 hours ago, later, it's a third attack, and everything.
What do you remember?
First hit, I was in cabin. Strong hit from starboard side. We go up, we see destroyed accommodation, bridge, everything was...
You were scared?
Of course, scared, but this moment you should be a little bit sharp because our second officer was damaged in neck and head, bleeding so much.